Let me teach you how to tie quick head wrap.
Dead baby.
Learning time, let's learn the step by step. The first step, you need pin. This is what I call pin. Yes, because it's operation do it yourself, just tack that pin. See the way I just place it there, so that later it will be so easy for you to take. Okay, 2 to 3 pin is sufficient for you for this quick head wrap. The reason I like this head wrap style, you can do it when you are standing. You know, when you are ready for church, maybe you are in a rush, maybe at the entrance of your event or church, you can just tie this a tie by yourself. So the length, you divide it equal after you fold it. First you fold, the next thing you divide it equal, place it on your head. This time you can achieve it even in just 3 minutes or highest 5 minutes. Just focus your eye. This video you can watch it again and again. It's very easy to achieve. You see the way I just place it on my head. Then make sure the front side is flat. It's flat. Operation do it yourself. Learn how to tie your head tie by yourself. Simple head wrap. This head wrap style is good for all age group. Young people, middle age, and the advanced people. This head wrap is very classic and is good. Yes, focus your eye so that you will see the way we achieve it step by step. So now you will now make sure you position it proper. You twist your twisting to the front side. Make sure you twist it to the front side. Don't twist it to the back side. Yes, that is the secret. Now we are going to work on the one. We'll work on one. Before you work on one, first you place the other one under your armpit. See the way I place the other one under my armpit, so that I will have my 2 hands with me to work on this first twist. So you use your pin, take one of the pin and tack it. See the way I'm just trying to set it up. Yes, take one of your pin and tack it together with your head wrap. Yes, hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. If today is the first time you come across my video, I am super excited. You are welcome. Here we teach how to do makeup, how to do gele, how to do, if in case you don't like this style, I have different unique style. Join me on my live on Facebook for more explanation. Yes, do you see the way I talking that the other part inside from the front side though? Make sure once you do your twisting, take it from the front side, tucking it under from the front side. Then now you will now spread the, you see, I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So you can watch it again and again for you to have more understanding. Now you take one pin and pin it, take the other pin and pin the other side. That's it. So in case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. I'm available to travel. You can book me for your event. We are into gele makeup. Go to my Instagram, the same name, Deck Beauty. So and see all my job, they are there on my Instagram. Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you never subscribe. Wanna leave a comment down below for me, please. And YouTube, your comment, I need your comment. Facebook, I need your comment. See you on my next video. Try and comment. I want to see your comment. If you don't have anything to comment, just tell me where you are watching me from so that I will know. Thank you. See you on my next video. My number is there on the stream in case you want to book me. We sell makeup product as well, and we sell perfume. Yes, so I base here in United Kingdom. We do photo shoots. I have studio here in London. Come and have your birthday photo shoot. Bye. See you on my next video. Yes, by the time you manage to finish your, you push it back to your satisfaction. You see the way I'm just trying to push it back. Push it back until you see your hair before you stop. Operation do it yourself. Let's go. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that Deck Beauty is only specializing makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in Deck Beauty studio, we are also specializing traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeups, Gele time and